Are you looking for the best paid service sites and get paid to sites in Greece so you can earn some extra cash online for free? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael from paidfromservice.com, and in this video I will explain exactly how much you can expect to earn from sites like this in Greece and also show you the top 10 legit and free opportunities. So before I get to the top 10, I just want to make it clear exactly what you can expect from this type of earning methods in Greece. And you can actually find quite a lot of great paid service sites and get paid to sites in Greece. So it can definitely be a legit and easy way to earn some extra cash on the site online. You just need to do it with the right expectations and know that it will not make you a full-time income and it will not make you rich, but it is super easy to get started with. And if you want to start making money online, then it is one of the most simple ways, because you can just sign up and start earning for free by, for example, taking surveys, or get paid to sites also offer ways like watching videos, clicking ads, doing social media tasks and more. So you're sure you will start making a profit from day one. And anyone can join. You do not need any special skills or anything like that. So let's now go over the top 10 sites you can use to earn like this in Greece. So number 10 on the list is Mobrug, which is a service site. It's very basic and straightforward. You just sign up and then you will start receiving invitations for surveys. Sometimes it can take a bit of patience to find the service you qualify for on Mobrug, but it offers quite a good amount and the payout threshold is only around $6, so it is fairly easy to reach. And once you have reached that, you can get your earnings out in cash via PayPal or Skrill, so it also offers great payout methods. Next, we have Timebox, which offers you plenty of different ways to earn some extra cash online in Greece. You can also find a lot of service here, but you can also do social media tasks, you can watch videos, you can click ads, you can play games. What Slide shows, it always has ways you can earn here, and there's always opportunities available. Once you reach $10, you can take your earnings out in cash directly into your bank account via TransferWise, or you can get paid in Bitcoin or Payeer, Skrill or NetTeller. So it also offers quite a lot of different great payout methods. Next we have SurveyTime, which is one of the fastest paying service sites you can join in Greece, because you get paid after every time you completed a survey immediately. And you will get $1 for each survey, so no matter the length of the survey, you will get $1. And once you've completed it, you right away just type in your PayPal email address and it will go into your account straight away. So if you want to earn PayPal cash and you want to get them immediately, then SurveyTime is definitely a good site to join. And moving on up the list, we have GrabPoints, which is a get paid to site with several different ways to earn in Greece. You can find surveys here, but you can also watch videos or play games or complete different paid offers. It is fairly easy to use and it has a lot of different opportunities and a low payout threshold of only $5 if you want to get paid in cash via PayPal. You can also choose between a lot of different gift cards if you prefer that instead of cash. Next we have PriceRebel, which is actually one of my overall favorite get paid to sites. It is just not high on the list in Greece because it does not have as many opportunities in Greece as it does in some other countries, but it still has a good amount and it is very easy to use. You can earn by taking surveys or taking paid offers or watching videos, and it has a great bonus system, so the more active you are, the more benefits and the more bonuses you will get. And you can get paid already when you've earned $5 and get paid in cash via PayPal or choose between a lot of different gift cards. And this is definitely also a get paid to site worth checking out if you live in Greece and want to earn by doing different types of online microtasks. Next on the list we have a quite unusual get paid to site, because this is a platform where you can actually earn completely passively if you live in Greece. You install it on your device, it can be on your mobile or your computer, and then you share your unused internet bandwidth with the clients of Honeygain, and you will then get paid for that. It will not make you rich or anything like that at all, but it is also super easy. You do not have to do anything once it has been installed. So if you have a good and fast unlimited internet plan, then this can definitely be a very easy way to earn a bit extra. And you can take your earnings out once you've earned $20, either as cash via PayPal or as Bitcoin. And a really great thing about Honeygain is that if you join through an invitation link, you will get a $5 joining bonus into your account right away, which definitely gives a great start. And I have such an invitation link on my website, and I will of course leave a link to that so you can find it below this video here. Next we have Triaba, which is a service site with a specific panel just for Greece. It is very easy to use. It offers a decent number of surveys, and you will get paid between 50 cents or 4 euros per survey you take here. And once you've signed up, you'll just start receiving these email invitations with the surveys when they're available. And in my experience, you qualify quite often for the service on Triaba compared to how much patience it sometimes can take on other platforms. Once you have earned 8 euros, you can take your earnings out in cash via PayPal. So it also offers great payout methods and a payout threshold that is quite easy to reach. We are getting closer to the top, and here we have Ysense, and Ysense is a get paid to site where the main method to earn in Greece is by taking paid surveys. You can find quite a lot of different survey opportunities here, but it also has some different other micro tasks and paid offers you can do here. And it has a daily bonus, so you can get a really nice extra bonus if you just have a certain activity in a day. And it offers great payout methods. You can take your earnings out in cash via PayPal or Payoneer or Skrill already when you've earned $10, or you can also choose to get paid in gift cards. For some gift cards, the payout threshold is only $5, so it is quite easy to reach and you can quickly get your earnings out. Almost at the top we have TGM Panel, and TGM Panel has a specific panel just for Greece. It is very easy to use. I would not suggest you join it as the only service site because it does not have enough opportunities for that, but it is just very easy to use, and therefore it definitely should be one of the panels you sign up for if you want to take paid surveys in Greece. You can fairly quickly reach the payout threshold of around $10, and then you can get your earnings out, usually in cash via PayPal or gift cards. Sometimes they change the payout methods around a little bit, but overall great payout methods and easy to use. At the very top, we have YouGov, and YouGov is a really great service site. It's easy to use. It also has an app, so if you want to take service on the go, this is a great opportunity. Also, on the website itself, you can actually see how the surveys that YouGov conduct are being used in the media, so you can directly see how sharing your opinion actually makes a difference, and I think that is quite cool. The payout threshold depends on your chosen reward. Usually you can choose between different gift cards and sometimes also to get paid in cash, but they do sometimes change the payout methods around a little bit. But overall, YouGov is definitely one of the best service sites you can join in Greece, and definitely one I highly recommend and one I have had great results with myself. So as you can see, there are some really great ways to earn some extra cash online for free if you live in Greece and want to join paid service sites and get paid to sites. And there are actually even more than the 10 I have shown here, and I have a full list on my website, and I will also keep updating that. And here you can also find the joining links, so you can easily see how to join and also get the joining bonuses of the platforms that offer that if you join through an invitation link. So I will leave a link to that below this video here, so make sure to check that out. And also, if you have any questions about any of the platforms or experiences with some of them or with platforms that are not on the list, then I would love to hear from you in a comment below this video here. And also, if this video helped you, make sure to like it and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online.